Yo, what's going on? It's me, LionHD, and I welcome you to another video of our Disney Infinity database series. In today's video, I show you how you can play and install Disney Infinity Toyboxes on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 in Disney Infinity 3.0. A while ago, we released the so-called Disney Infinity database in our Discord server, which contains more than 500 Disney Infinity Toyboxes from the community for you to play on PC. Now we finally figured out a way on how you can play them on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 in 2024. This video here explains the PlayStation installation, and for all who would like to play on PC, the PC installation guide is explained in a text guide on the Disney Infinity Discord server. Added to this, I want to highlight that there are a few differences between the installation of Toyboxes on PC and on PlayStation, but you will see this later. Let us start now. In order to do this, you need the following 5 things. First, you need a PlayStation 4 or a PlayStation 5, but it is not necessary to jailbreak your PlayStation or modify it in any other way. Just a regular PlayStation is needed. The second thing you need is a PlayStation account. Moreover, your PlayStation account doesn't need a PlayStation Plus subscription for this. Instead, I even suggest to create a new PlayStation account or use like your second PlayStation account, because this method of sharing Toyboxes to the PlayStation is going to override your current save file, which means you're going to lose all of your progress. However, if you still want to play on your main account, I highly recommend to save your current Disney Infinity PlayStation save file on a separate USB drive or on your PC. And if you have a PlayStation Plus subscription, you can also just upload it to the online cloud. You simply have to select the option Upload, Download, Save Data, and then select Upload All and confirm this with Yes. After this, it is on the Sony servers saved, and then you can simply download your backup file whenever you want it back. But I suggest then to turn off the automatic upload for Disney Infinity in the settings, because this is a hidden mistake sometimes people forget, but it can still ruin your whole saved data. The third thing you need is a USB drive to save the Toyboxes on it. The fourth thing you need is a PC, laptop or Mac for this process. The last thing you need for this process is Discord. First of all, you have to create a Discord account and then you have to join our Disney Infinity Discord server. After you have all of these things, we can actually start with the whole process. As I mentioned earlier, the PlayStation installation is a bit different than the PC installation. Moreover, the PlayStation sharing has more limitations and complications, but we still tried to find the best way for you to make it as easy as possible to install Disney Infinity Toyboxes from the database to your PlayStation. In our opinion, the best way is to use the concept of the Disney Infinity playsets to get the Toyboxes to the PlayStation. This means that you don't install individual Toyboxes like you would do on PC. Instead, you get themed bundles which contain all Toyboxes related to a specific theme. For instance, if you want to play Disneyland, then you simply install the Disneyland bundle and get all of the Toyboxes related to it. We will talk about the important details in a second, but let's talk about how you get these bundles. It is pretty simple for you to get these bundles. First of all, you just go into the video description and click on this link here. Then you will be directed to our Disney Infinity Discord server. From there, you just have to go through the whole onboarding process, which is pretty self-explaining. You finally gain access to the so-called Toybox database section, which should automatically appear in your channels list. In this section, you will find 5 different channels: Toybox database, database news, database info, submission, and the most important one for you, PlayStation bundles. In Toybox database, you can find all downloadable and playable Toyboxes, which are currently more than 500 Toyboxes. In database news, you can find all news about the database project, such as new release Toyboxes. In database info, you get all information that you need, such as installation guides, Q&As, and much more. The submission channel is pretty self-explaining, because here you can submit your Toyboxes from the PC or PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. The last and most important channel for all PlayStation players is now the channel called PlayStation Bundles, because here you get your PlayStation Bundles. In this channel you find a message from a bot called BubBot, and this is the tool which allows you to get the PlayStation Bundles. Thanks to our amazing owner of the bot named Bob, so thank you very much for this awesome tool. We are finally able to do this fully automated. You simply have to click on this big button to begin the whole process. After this, a new thread opens with your name and the bot will ping you in there. This means the bot is online and working, so you can get your bundles now. However, if the bot isn't working, then it won't create a thread and you will receive an error message. But the bot should work soon again, so just try it later and don't spam us asking when the bot is online again. Now in this thread you simply type in the slash symbol and a whole menu of options should appear. Now you simply have to scroll down to the command called Quick Resign. After this you click on the option called PlayStation ID and enter the exact PlayStation ID, so basically your PlayStation username. Make sure the spelling is correct, and after this hit enter on your keyboard. Now the bot displays you a variety of different game titles in an alphabetical order and with numbers before the title. Search for Disney Infinity 3.0 and type in the number which is before this title, which is currently number 20. Hit enter and the bot will display you all available bundles for Disney Infinity 3.0 for the PlayStation. You see the names of the bundles as well as their numbers before, and it is your choice which bundle you would like to have now. In this case I decided to download the Disneyland Bundle 1, which is currently number 6, so I just type in 6 and hit enter again. That's it. Now let the bot do its magic and wait until you receive a download link. It may take a while, usually between 10 and 15 minutes, because the Disney Infinity bundles have a big file size. But if you don't receive a download link after 20 minutes, I would try the command again, because then it is pretty safe to say that something went wrong. When you finally received your download link, then you just have to download this file now. And you get a file called ps4.zip, which you have to extract. After this, you have a folder named PS4, and you can delete the .zip file. We're almost done, so just plug your USB drive into your computer and put the whole PS4 folder via drag and drop to the USB drive. After this, you can unplug your USB drive and leave your computer. It is quite unfortunate, but this is another limitation, so you can only put one bundle on it. Each time you want to play a different bundle, you have to change it on your USB drive. After this, we can finally leave the PC. So unplug your USB drive and put it into your PlayStation. But make sure that you are logged into the same account that you entered when you did the whole process with the bot. Now, depending if you have a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, the steps vary a bit. But basically you do this, you go into the settings on your save files and then copy the save file from the USB, select the Disney Infinity save file on the USB drive, and there you can actually see which bundle is on your USB drive. Because now you will see the title, the small thumbnail and even a small description, so it is helpful to confirm which bundle you have on your USB drive. Now simply copy it to your system, but as I mentioned earlier, you're going to overwrite your current save file. So make sure to do a backup before. And if you copied everything to your system, then that's it. You got the Toybox bundle and now you're able to play all Toyboxes included on it. Now we can also unplug the USB drive from your PlayStation and enjoy all of the Toyboxes in this Toybox bundle. It is quite impressive that after these years we were finally able to figure this out without any modifications or jailbreaking. If you have any questions left, please ask them in the comments down below or contact us on Discord. Enjoy this! The Toyboxes are back for the PlayStation community. And guys, I hope the whole effort from the whole team, because there were multiple people involved in this, was worth it and paid off. And you guys enjoy now these Toyboxes together with all of your friends and your families. And overall, I just hope that you actually play these Toyboxes and download these Toybox bundles, because it was quite a bit of effort that we put into this big project, and I have to thank everyone who was involved in this. I can't really name them right now, but I will definitely do this in a future video and in the comments and in the description down below. But thanks to all who still believe in this game. The spark is still alive, and thanks to the whole team. who made this possible. I really appreciate it, and we are back, guys.